In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Sprout Social team member. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can confidently remove someone's access when their time on your team has ended. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage users, such as an administrator. Removing a team member immediately revokes their access to your organization's Sprout Social account, but it typically won't erase your historical reports or past messages, so your data remains intact. Start by logging in to Sprout Social on your computer. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile avatar there. This opens the account menu, which contains the settings you need for user management. From that menu, go to Account and Settings, then choose Settings. This takes you into the area where you manage account-level preferences. In the navigation within Settings, look for Team Members. On some plans, this section may be labeled Roles and Team Members, but it's the same place where user access is controlled. In this list, locate the person you want to remove. If your team is large, take a moment to scroll carefully and double-check you've selected the correct user. If the list has a search or filter option, that can help you find them more quickly. It's a good idea to confirm that the user no longer needs access and that any responsibilities they handled, like inbox management or publishing workflows, have already been reassigned to someone else. When you've found the correct user, look to the right of their name for the trash or delete icon. Click that icon to begin the removal. Sprout Social will display a confirmation pop-up to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message so you understand what will happen next, including the immediate loss of access for that user. When you're ready, confirm the removal by clicking the Confirm or Delete button in the pop-up. After confirming, the user will be removed from your team list and their access will be revoked right away. If you keep the list open, you should see their name disappear or their status update. That's all there is to it. If you run into any issues, verify your permissions or check if your plan uses slightly different wording for the team management section. Keeping your team list up to date helps maintain security and ensures only the right people can access your brand's social profiles. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow these steps again anytime you need to remove a team member from Sprout Social.